What are you wearing? What is this?
Daddy. Mommy, mommy.
It's a swimsuit. Yeah.
Mommy.
Oh, is that the mommy fish?
Yeah. Daddy, daddy.
And the daddy fish? Where's the baby fish? The baby fish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we going to go right now?
Pool.
We're going to the pool. What are we going to do in the pool?
Out.
Are we going to swim in the pool?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Say bye, baby.